Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome you again to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's memorize what all things we have discussed in previous class. Yes, we were discussing about thunderstorms, cyclones, how cyclones are formed. Can you tell me what is cyclone? Yes, a system of closed rotating winds around a low pressure area is called a cyclone. Today we will talk about another such phenomena which is not exactly a cyclone but something of similar sort, that is tornado. A tornado is a dark funnel shaped clouds that reaches from the sky to the ground. They travel at extremely high speed, and that is how they are capable of causing a huge damage. These tornadoes are like winds. They are actually clouds, but they have winds which is moving it with real high speed. And this entire funnel shaped clouds which you are seeing here, that entire things travel from the sky to the ground with such high speed. And as it comes near the ground, what happens? It constantly rotating as well. So when it comes near the ground, all the dust, dirt, sand, etc., everything enters to this funnel. Everything enters from the bottom part because it's all open at the center. It's the same concept. The center will going to be hollow. So everything, dust, dirt, everything enters inside and they all come out from the top. So basically, whenever you have this tornado, you see lots of dust on the top of the tornado. And since it is moving with very high speed, everything is thrown out from the top. So this tremendous high speed can cause damages, whether it is building, whether it is a house, it can spoil and it can destroy that. Tornadoes are not very common in India, but it is quite common in other parts of the world. A violent tornado can travel at speed of about 300 km per hour. Sometimes these tornadoes can form inside the cyclone also. It is nothing but a low pressure area which is being created and then winds are rotating about it. And what is tornado? It is also like rotating wind in the shape of funnel and then it reaches towards the ground. We have learned that all storms are low pressure systems. Wind speed plays an important role in the formation of storms. It is therefore important to measure the wind speed. The instrument that measures the wind speed is called an anemometer. Now let us talk about some of the safety measures which we should take during thunderstorms, cyclones, tornadoes. What are effective safety measures? A cyclone forecast and warning service. Construction of cyclone shelters in the cyclone prone areas and administrative arrangement for moving people fast to safer places. We should not ignore the warnings issued by the meteorological department through TV, radio, or newspaper. We should make necessary arrangements to shift the essential household goods, domestic animals, and vehicles, etc., to safer places. Avoid driving on roads. Do not drink water that could be contaminated. Always store drinking water for emergencies. Do not touch wet switches and fallen power lines. Cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. So what we have discussed today? Yes, we have discussed about tornado. What is tornado? A tornado is a dark funnel shaped clouds that reaches from the sky to the ground. So dear children, our chapter is over. In the next class, we will do revision. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. All of you please copy the notes in your notebook. And please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.